Hello and welcome to AI Attic. Let's dive into Pictory AI, an intelligent video platform for storytelling with precise visual pairing, catering to creators, marketers, and businesses. Watch as it transforms ideas into visually engaging stories. Pictory's text-to-video feature transforms written contents into video in minutes with AI-powered visuals, captions, and structure. Thus, it simplifies the process of making videos without manual effort. And here's where it gets exciting. Pictory lets you turn an entire web page or blog link into a video. Just drop the URL and the AI extracts key points, builds scenes, and generates a complete video, almost instantly. That's powerful and exciting. You should give it a try now. Pictory's AI video editor is designed for clarity and speed. Instead of complex timelines, you edit using text, remove a sentence, and the video updates automatically. With video summarization, Pictory can take long videos and intelligently condense them into short, shareable highlights, perfect for social media, previews, and audiences who value clarity without losing the message. Pictory also transforms audio into video. Upload a podcast, voice note, or narration, and the AI builds visuals and captions around it. This is especially powerful for podcasters. Imagine turning one audio episode into multiple engaging videos without recording anything new. With image to video, static images are turned into dynamic visual stories. Pictory adds motion, transitions, and captions, making visuals feel alive and engaging. A simple way to upgrade presentations, ads, or social content. Pictory's presentation to video feature converts PowerPoint slides into narrated videos automatically. This solves a major problem for educators and businesses turning static slides into watchable content for presentation. With the built-in screen recorder, Pictory allows you to capture tutorials, walkthroughs, and demonstrations, then enhance them with captions and visuals using AI. Simple, efficient, and effective. Pictory AI is built for creators who want speed, simplicity, and storytelling without sacrificing quality. If you're looking to create content from text, audio, or long videos, this is a platform worth trying. Thank you for spending your time with us here at the AI Attic. Like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next.